Hey everyone, welcome back. Data Messiah here, your go-to channel for mastering data science with AI. Today, we're diving into something truly exciting. DeepSeek, as you can see, a cutting-edge AI model that that's revolutionizing how we generate and analyze data. In this video, I will show you how to use DeepSeek with Python to create dataset, extract insight, and supercharge your analytical workflow. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced data scientist, this tutorial will give you the hands-on skill you need to harness AI for real-world data application. So, if you're ready to level up your data game, stick around and let's dive in. Okay, so I'm going to DeepSeek. As you can see, I'll click on Start Now, and I'm going to give him a simple prompt that says, let me see. Okay, I'm going to generate a data set, Today, I would like it to generate a data set for hospital. Let me use the town I'm in, and for patients in Jalingo Specialist Hospital, and analyze it using Python and visualization, right? Oh yeah, visual, say visualization. So as you can see with this simple line of code, I want it to generate a data set for hospital for me so I can be able to analyze it. Okay. Once it gives me the code here, I'm just taking it straight to my IDE and it's going to write the data. So for now, it's generating a synthetic data set. Mind you, this is not an actual data from Jalingo Hospital, Specialist Hospital. It's just a random, how can I say, random selection. It just created out of thin air. It's just for the tutorial sake. Oh, so let me see. Yep. Okay, it's generating. Now, as you can see, it generates a synthetic data set, which is the data is not real, right? And the second step is analyzing the data set by using DF, that's a data frame. And also, this is the code for visualization. This is to visualize the data, the patient, the type of illness, diabetes, malaria, and the treatment. And then after that, it explains the code, the explanation of the code, for you to kind of understand what actually is going on in the code. Like it says, data set generation. We generate a synthetic data set with 100 patients. Okay, this is now it's giving you the breakdown of the code for you to sort of understand what is going on behind the scene. So now I'm going to copy the code one by one and take it to my IDE, which is Spider. Okay, I'm using Spider. You can use other IDE, Python IDE, and I'm going to follow it one by one. Today, I'm not linking any data. This is what the AI was able to generate: number of patients, type of sickness, the diagnosis. Sorry, I'm not the doctor, so malaria, typhoid data, diabetes, and hypertension. The list goes on and on. Asthma. So I'm going back to DeepSeek and also copy it and then paste it based on what it has given me. This what I pasted now is the created data frame. That's the I'm going down and I'm going to go back to DeepSeek again. I'm going to copy. This is for visualization to kind of show, you can show the doctor, the MD, what data, what is going on in his hospital. Okay. And then we go check the last APS I will go select. Okay, that's all. So now I will just go back to Python, my Spider IDE, and then scroll up, and then I'm going to run the data, the code. Okay, it has read the code, and these are the visualization it has able to send to give me. Okay, without much work, just with this single line of code, generate. This is it. Generate a data set for patients in Jalingo Specialist Hospital and analyze it using Python and visualization. Just this is what we're able to get. This is almost 105 line of code. Okay, so these are the information. I'm going to download this chart and then show you. Let me see. Yeah, I can show you. Then probably explain what the data I was able to. And then we go to desktop. Or select. Okay, then select. Let me go back and create. Let me create a folder called plots. Jalingo Hospital. Okay. Now I'm going back to my IDE. Paste all. Select folder. Now it has pasted. I'm going back to my folder. Again, I'm going to check the figure and the charts, the plot. So as you can see, the gender distribution of patients, male 62.0 and the female 38. Okay, it has now shown us that in January specialists, male tend to have the highest number of that's the highest paid number of patients. And number two, that's age distribution of patients. We have 0 to 80. Okay, it tend to show that in this, the infants, these are like from 0 year or babies, 20-year-old. So it shows that from let's say 10 to 60, they tend to have a very good health. So let's say not good health per se, but they tend to not to go to hospital that much. Okay, 60-year-old tend to go. I know probably because of diabetes or something. This is what the data is showing me, though, but it hasn't specified if it's a diabetic patient or asthma. Okay, so in this chart now is not to show us what are the common diagnoses that takes these people to hospital. So as you can see, malaria, hypertension, diabetes, typhoid, asthma. These are the data I was able to get or generate from DeepSeek. So it shows that malaria has the highest, which is one of the most common diseases in Jalingo, Tarabastet, besides. And now treatment cost distribution. Okay, these are in Naira. Okay, it shows that the highest spending, our highest is 10,000. From 10,000, it grouped it, and then it took the frequency also. This is what DeepSeek is all about. Partly when you're dealing with data, it can help you write the code and then show you visualization. Now it's based on you now to know how to present the findings you have to your MD or to your stakeholder or to whoever is whoever you're working with. Okay, so guys, don't forget to like, subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye.